Stop. Don't scroll. This video was meant to find you. Not randomly, not accidentally, but because Allah chose this exact moment to reach you. Some reminders only come once, not loud, not repeated, just a single piercing moment that shakes you before you lose yourself completely. This is that moment. And if you ignore this, you may not get another like it again. You feel it, don't you? That quiet heaviness in your chest, that feeling that something is wrong, something has been slipping away. A prayer you delayed, a habit you refused to let go, a sin you kept telling yourself, just one more time. Allah saw it every single time, not waiting to punish you, but waiting for you to come back. Before your heart becomes too cold, before the distance becomes too wide, before the regret becomes unbearable. You've been moving so fast, distracting yourself, numbing yourself, telling yourself you're fine. But deep down, you know you're not. Because comfort can destroy you when it makes you forget Allah. Listen carefully. Allah does not send reminders casually. When He sends one, it means He still wants you. It means He hasn't given up on you. It means you are still being called back. And that is mercy. Even if your life feels messy, even if your sins feel heavy, even if you think you've gone too far, you haven't. You haven't. The greatest lie Shaitan ever told you wasn't that sin is harmless. It's that you can come back later, tomorrow, next week, when I'm ready. No, because your soul is ready right now. Your heart is begging right now. Your life is crying out for change right now. You don't need to fix everything tonight. You don't need to become perfect. Allah never asked you to be perfect. He asked you to just take a step, one sincere step, and He will come to you faster than you ever imagined. This is that step, right here, right now. Your past does not define you. Your mistakes do not cage you. Your failures do not end you. Because the moment you turn back to Allah, you are no longer the same person. Allah has forgiven people who were far worse than you. So who told you that you can't be forgiven? Your du'as are not ignored. Your tears are not unseen. Your struggle is not wasted. When Allah wants someone back, He sends storms to shake them. He sends silence to humble them. And He sends reminders like this one to wake them. This video is your wake-up call. So choose right now, not later, not tomorrow, right now. Choose Allah. Let your next prayer be different. Let your next step be intentional. Let your next moment be the moment everything changes. Let this be the day you came back. The day your heart finally broke so it could heal. The day Allah looked at you and said, "My servant has returned." Let this video find you once and never again. Because after this, you won't need another reminder. Just whisper it, quietly, from your heart. "I'm coming back, Ya Allah." And watch how your entire life begins to change.